Number 19. John has a goal to ride his bike at least 100 miles this summer. John has ridden 12 miles thus far. There are 40 days left in the summer. Write an inequality to represent the average distance d in miles John must ride each day for the rest of the summer to achieve his goal. Write your answer in the space provided on your answer document. Now the first thing to notice is that they want an inequality here. That's important because this is not an equation. An inequality is going to either have a less than or greater than sign. So we need to realize that. The second thing we need to notice very carefully is that we are told to use a specific letter, and that is D. So we're not going to use X, we're going to use D for our variable in this problem. So now let's look back. John has a goal to ride his bike at least 100 miles. So we want to ride our bike at least 100 miles. At least means more or equal to 100. Okay, we could ride more than 100, we could ride exactly 100, but at least 100 miles. Now we know John has already ridden 12 miles this summer. So that's what he's ridden so far, is 12. And he's going to ride some more each day in the summer. So we're going to add to that so many miles every day. Now we don't know how many miles. D is the number of miles. But we know there are 40 days that we're going to ride. So this is going to be 40 times D. So if he rides 1 mile every day, that'd be 40 miles in 40 days. If he rides 2 miles each day, that's 80 miles over those 40 days. So this would be one inequality to describe the average distance he would need to ride. It doesn't say we have to solve it, but you could. Okay, you could have said that 40D is greater than or equal to 88 by subtracting the 12 from the 100. So that is another possible inequality you could have written down. You could have also went ahead and kept solving. You could have divided 88 by 40. So D is going to be greater than or equal to 2.2 miles. So all three of these are possible answers you could have put on your answer document. But you need to make sure you're using the letter D and that you're using an inequality. This is not an equation because it says to write an inequality.